is Tracy, and today's video is the unboxing of the pre-order for the Stampin' Up Annual Catalogue. I actually received this box this morning and I haven't opened it yet. It's now afternoon, so let's get in and see what's inside. Let's see what I purchased. Okay, so first thing is we have lots and lots of that green bubble. I did purchase catalogues, so they're in here as well. So the first stamp set, Forever Fern. This is a suite that actually has quite a few things included. Let me see if I can find the dies as well. So the dies that go with it are called Forever Flourishing. It is a 14-piece die set. So lots there. The stamp set is 11 pieces, so there's actually more dies than images in the stamp set. The next stamp set is the Lovely You, and I'm really excited to be using this one. You actually see this one on the front cover of the annual catalogue, which really made me want to purchase it. Really great designs there. And this one actually bundles with a punch. So let me bring the punch in. The punch is called Lovely Labels. And that's it there. So you've got quite a few different selections there to create little labels. So this is a bundle, you save yourself 10%. The next set I have is Celebrate Sunflowers. This is a 8-piece cling stamp set. This also has some dies that are called sunflower dies. Another bundle, so you save yourself 10% by purchasing the two together. And these are amazing. Look at these, they're huge, absolutely huge. So let me just bring the stamp set back in. Awesome set. Can't wait to start creating with these ones as well. So I have an embossing folder. This one is the Greenery embossing folders. It's a 2-piece set and it's used for the new mini embossing machine. So there's actually 2 inside. So they're really going to be great ones, and it does go with the whole suite of Forever Fern. So this is all part of the suite with that one. Right, embellishments, now we have the 2020-2022 enamel dots. So these are actually part of the new ink colours, which I'll go through in a little bit. I've got each individual ink colour there. Now with the pre-order we couldn't purchase the inks, the markers and blends and the re-inkers because of COVID-19, but they hopefully will be available in June when the catalogue goes live. So we have gold hoop embellishments. These are really cool. There's some great samples in the catalogue, which really made me want to purchase it. But it's like an earring. So they're going to be fun to play with. And in this set there are 10. So you've got quite a few there. Let me bring the ink colours in, and I have the ribbons. So here are the 5 ink colours. So we have Cinnamon Cider, which is a really nice brown. Magenta Madness, I think that one is. Yeah, Magenta Madness is a really nice bright pink. We have a Just Jade, beautiful green. Bumblebee, which is a nice yellow. And the last colour is Misty Midnight. So a really nice denim blue. So the 5 in colours there. How nice are they? I'm really struggling to find out which one my favourite is, but I really like how nice and bright the Magenta Madness is. Okay, ribbon combos. This one is the Forever Greenery, and so there's 2 in this set. I'm just going to open that up to show you and have a closer look at both these ribbons. So there's a gold one in this set, and it's like thread, so a gold thread. Look at that, very nice. And then we have, this one's almost like muslin, is that what it's called? Very soft, almost cottony. So that's that one there. So that is a ribbon combo for the Forever Greenery ribbon combo. I have a box of catalogues. So if you would like a catalogue, you just need to be a customer of mine. If you've purchased with me in the last 6 months, I'll send one out this week. If you would like one, just purchase something in my online store and you'll be my customer and I'll send you one out. Okay, so moving on to the Designer Series paper. This is a 6x6 pack. It is part of the In Colour 2022 In Colour pack. There is 40 sheets in this set and 4 separate designs. Okay. So we have polka dots, a denim, really nice script, it's probably a little hard to see, and then a wood feature, and you'll have those in all 5 of the In Colours, so Just Jade, Bumblebee, Magenta Madness, Cinnamon Cider and Misty Midnight. There we go, I remembered them. I have another piece of 6x6 Designer Series paper called Flowers for Every Season, and this actually goes with the sunflower set. So let me bring in, I'll quickly show. So sunflowers on one side, and then we have a blue dot, cinnamon cider background there, and sunflowers. Bumblebee sunflowers, so lots and lots of sunflowers in this set. Liking the brightness of the Bumblebee as well. It's sort of in between a Daffodil Delight and Crushed Curry. Some roses, some nice bright flowers, greenery. That's nice and bright. So these are using the In Colours. A lot of these are the In Colours here. Nice stripes. That's pretty, I really like that. Another nice bright flowers. This one would actually be really good for Christmas. And then we have some tulips, a nice springtime design. This one reminds me of Christmas as well. And blue flowers. Stripes in cinnamon cider. Ooh. And there we go, another Christmas design. Last one. Green, and then blue and green flowers. So a really nice set, that one. Flowers for every occasion. I have a 12x12 Designer Series paper set here as well, and this is called Forever Greenery, so it's part of that suite. I did pretty much, I think, get everything from that suite. Oh, and this paper is gorgeous. Look at that one. That's my favourite. And look at the other side. Look at all those green stripes. Some ferns. And that almost looks like a, I don't know, sort of I think of a dinosaur egg. I don't know why. Some more leaves. That one. So lots and lots of greens in this one. A little bit like the one we had in our annual catalogue that's just leaving. I like that one. It's a really nice, almost like a blue in the green as well. And last one for this set, so a little bit more white in that one. And that one's really pretty. Okay. And lastly is the cardstock packs. And I actually purchased a beginner sort of pack. It has a little bit of a sampling of every single colour, and I actually bought a few of them rather than purchasing a full pack of each one just yet. I'll get there eventually. So we have Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, which these two are perfect for the sunflowers. They've done that perfectly. We have Just Jade, Magenta Madness. Look how bright that is. And Misty Midnight. So let me just show you. There we have it. So there are 5 in colours for the next 2 years. Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing of my pre-order from the Stampin Up Annual Catalogue. Let me know in the comments what item you would like to see me use first, and I'd also love to know what item you are really wanting to purchase from the new annual catalogue. Now you can join the Inky Stampers team, which is my team, right now, and in your starter kit you can purchase any of these items that I have pre-ordered. It's a great way to get some product before the catalogue goes live, and then you're saving yourself 20% for every order after that. I've really enjoyed having you here today, and I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'll be back very soon with another one, and I hope you can join me. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.